Early access to the best sale they have of the year, and you can digitize your tapes for as low as $9 a tape. Now, think about this.
So you got your north and all that?
You walk into a room full of people. God walks in your shoes. Do you know how I know?
All the family.
You know what? I don't think this is a good idea. Like, not one. It could be 29 to 1. All of them are like, yeah, let's take the free.
Asthma, diabetes, COPD, or heart disease, or are 65 or older, you are at increased risk for pneumococcal pneumonia. Ask your doctor or pharmacist about Prevnar 20, pneumococcal 20-valent conjugate vaccine, a vaccine that can help protect you against pneumococcal pneumonia in just one dose. Even if you've already been vaccinated with other pneumonia vaccines, Prevnar 20 may help provide added protection. Prevnar 20 is approved for adults to help prevent infections from...
With territorial right.
I wish I thought of this company.
The story is called The Ugly Truth.
And you can protest joyously. Now, to appreciate that word joy...
Systems may have a lower...
Founder
Hostages. They're not going to...
And so what does that tell me?
No. The God I serve is a God of love. He loves me. He loves me. I can do what I want. He loves me.
Me.